kutafuta mahali pengine pa kuishi.
Piny owacho mar Amerka uchiwo omenda maromo bilion 1 mar jiwo chenro mag rito kar rito le ma Maasai Mara. Ote makamano rwaki gi mor e nyasi mar hingo higni 10 nyaka ne jambetre mar piny Amerka e pacho ka Margaret Meg Whitman chaka tije mar mbetre pacho ka. Ote mare Whitman pod ni kod geno ni kuonde rito le biro medore nyaka 29 ka oganda ma pacho ka biro nywaki jiwo kendo bero kar rito lego mami kar rito lego bed malach marit makare kendo maonenore maler. Jatend migawo mar weche limbe Alfred Mutua manodwoko erokamano ne Amerka kuom omenda no singo ni Kenya biro medo tiyo kaachiel kod Amerka e tiego jotich matiyo e kuonde rito le ma pacho ka.
The United States, through USAID, is proud to have been partners with the Maasai in the Mara's dramatic evolution. USAID has joined with the Maasai to support this unique conservancy model because USAID invests in solutions and invests in people. With that in mind, we are thrilled to announce a new $6.5 million MMWCA activity to take place over the next 5 years. With this grant, the Conservancies Association will increase the number of conservancy to 29 or more, and it will promote economic development, women's empowerment, and indigenous people's rights.
We're committing 300 million shillings where we'll be fencing to separate wildlife and animals in many parts of this country where there's a lot of conflict. People have been killed, but you also want to have awareness. So we need that awareness to teach people how to live with animals, so that we reduce this wildlife human conflict. We're adding an extra 800 million and I'm trying to look for an extra 1.5 billion. I'm very committed for people to be compensated. So if the county government comes in, I think we'll be working very well.
But we want to actually plug more money to the conservancies and to the park so that we can continue to conserve this beautiful land of ours.
E kinde makit somo mar 844 chopo